This Monday Zoom is strictly product and health related. So if you do ask questions regarding something else outside of it, we're not going to answer it here. You can go ahead and email them or join on, especially the Friday training Zoom, where you'll hear from some of our leaders that might help answer your questions. Another common one, you just mentioned this morning, Ryan was saying about eye health. Get a lot of questions about eye health, vision support. And Ryan, you want to tell us what is in our multivitamin?
Yeah, happy to, for sure. It's funny. It's not funny. It's actually a sad state of affairs for us as we become more and more of a digitized society, because we're spending so much time in front of devices that are emitting, mostly blue light. And of course, we've always had indoor exposure to artificial light. But the reality is even our kids, in schools are all shifted now to computers. There's no more real paper tests, paper anything. And so myopia and eye disease is a real concern. There's been a number of clinical studies and trials that have demonstrated the benefit of some ingredients to help with preventing eye disease, things like age-related macular degeneration, which is a big one. And when you look at the studies and you see what the benefits are, it really comes down to some of the carotenoids. There's two main ones. There's lutein and zeaxanthin. It's really based on the AREDS and the AREDS-2 study. There was two big studies done. And when you look at eye support supplements, they kind of stand alone on the aisle or wherever, the digital aisle, I guess now. And they're generally pretty expensive, when you look at the price points. So when we were formulating the multivitamin, I was like, geez, why don't we combine the vision support? Because everybody needs it. And yeah, right. There's nobody I can imagine it would be an issue for not having enough zeaxanthin or too much zeaxanthin and lutein. So that's what we did. We put it in the multivitamin, and I feel like most people don't even realize it. Like, they're just not aware that there's these two awesome ingredients that are of the marigold flower. It's actually a marigold extract. So it's the two primary pigments of the flower, and they're responsible for absorbing blue light. They are potent antioxidants. They're highly concentrated in the retina, in the back of the eye, and again, play a huge role in absorbing blue light. Right. And giving the eye the antioxidants, because a lot of oxidative stress is occurring in the retina, believe it or not, and that's the inflammatory process that when there's free radicals. So that oxidative stress can be neutralized with the marigold extract. So lutein, zeaxanthin, it's an amazing combination, and in both of our multivitamins, our men's and our women's.